Hi, my little friends. How are you? I hope you all are doing good. Let's learn together. Let's see how the letter sounds. So today's letter is D. D. D makes D. D. D makes D. D. Let's sing together. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drums. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drums. D is for doll, doll, doll. D is for drum, drum, drum. D is for dice, dice, dice. D is for deer, deer, deer. D is for door, door, door. D is for dot, dot, dot. D is for duster, duster, duster. D is for drawing, drawing, drawing. D is for dustbin, dustbin, dustbin. D is for dress, dress, dress. D is for dancing, dancing, dancing. D is for dancing, dancing, dancing. Bye, my little friends. Keep learning, keep enjoying. Bye.